This is where the true power of the red junglefowl shows. Even when it faces a cobra, it can still come out on top. Sometimes, it even eats the cobra afterward. That's almost unbelievable. When the red junglefowl is searching for food, any snake it spots will likely end up being attacked. Once the snake is down, the bird wastes no time finishing the job. Even two snakes tangled together during a fight or mating ritual, if the junglefowl notices, it will break them apart and take them both down. But how does this bird actually defeat a cobra? It circles around the snake again and again, watching for the right moment. When the chance comes, it strikes fast and fierce. The cobra hardly has time to react. That's because junglefowl are naturally skilled snake hunters. From a young age, they feed on small snakes. That instinct stays with them for life. For snakes, the red junglefowl is an eternal rival. So, here's the big question. In areas overrun with snakes, would releasing red junglefowl really work?